Alrighty, everyone, on to problem number 10. Thrift rents a company car for $33 a day, and General rents a similar car for $20 a day, plus an initial fee of 78 bucks. For how many days will it be cheaper to rent from the General? And so let's take a look at this for number 10, folks. We are going to have two different equations, one for thrift and one for the General. So let's call thrift a capital T. So the cost of renting at thrift is $33 a day. So that's really easy to write. That's 33x because every day we rent a car, it costs us 33 bucks. The General is going to cost us $20 per day plus an initial fee of $78. And so again, $20 every day. So that's times X. And then we are going to add the 78 bucks to it because that's a cost that we have to pay up front before we even get the car for a day. And so for how many days will it be cheaper to rent from the General? And so in this one, again, folks, we are going to be writing an inequality. Cheaper would mean less. And so what we want is to put the General next to thrift and have the General be less than thrift. And so let's go ahead and do that. We are going to take 20x plus 78, which is our equation for the General. We want to know when that will be less than the cost at thrift, which is 33x. And so let's go ahead, and again, our pal Wolfram is going to take care of all of this for us. I really hope you are taking time to watch these videos and recognize how helpful Wolfram is, and you're not doing all this math by hand because that would be sort of rough. Okay, and again, my less than symbol is right above my comma on my computer. We're going to swing it into Wolfram. Wolfram is going to do that for us and tell us that x is greater than 6. Okay. And let's think for a moment about what x is greater than 6 means so that we can write our statement. Okay. And so in this instance, folks, what this x is greater than 6 means is that if we look at this for one day, obviously the General is going to be more expensive because you pay 78 bucks plus 20 bucks puts you at $98, whereas at thrift, it's only 33. So for it to be cheaper to rent from the General, you have to rent for at least 6 days. So for 6 or more days of renting the car, the General is cheaper. And again, for any less than 6 days, folks, you are going to want to go with thrift.